Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make audio files louder. Sometimes the audio file you're trying to listen to simply isn't loud enough. Actually, you can make MP3 audio files louder on your computer with easy clicks. Let us show you how to do it. Download and install a free app called Audacity. After the installation is complete, open the software. Click on the File menu and choose the Open option. Load the audio file that you want to edit. To edit the entire track, click Select, then click All, or select the required portion by clicking and dragging your mouse over the blue area. In the Effect menu, choose Amplify. Use the slider to select the degree of amplification. Check the Allow Clipping checkbox and click OK to make changes. Go to File and choose Export, then Export as MP3 option. Then click on the Save button and click OK. That's it. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell icon to be the first to know about our new videos.